In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background on Whatnot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the large banner image that sits behind your profile so your page looks polished and on brand. Start by heading to the Whatnot website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your account controls live. Look for your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open your account menu and profile options. Next, you'll see your username displayed. There's a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal more actions related to your account. From the expanded options that appear, choose Edit Profile. This opens your profile settings page where you can manage visuals and details that other users see. On the profile page, focus on the large banner area at the top. This is your profile background. Hover over that space and look for the small camera icon appearing on the background itself. Click the camera icon to start updating your banner image. A file picker will open so you can select a background from your computer. Choose a clear, wide image for the best result. Horizontal photos or graphics typically look more professional because the banner space is much wider than it is tall. PNG or JPG files are common choices, and a reasonably high-resolution image helps keep things sharp without appearing pixelated. If you're choosing a photo with text or a logo, keep important details centered so they're not cut off on different screen sizes. Once you've selected your new background, you'll be brought back to the profile view with your image loaded. Take a moment to confirm it looks the way you want. If the preview appears slightly cropped, that's normal for wide banners. Choosing a wider image usually improves the fit. If something looks off, you can click the camera icon again and try a different file before finalizing. When you're happy with the preview, look for the Save Changes button and click it to apply your new background. Give the page a second to update. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your browser to load the latest version of your profile. If an image doesn't upload, it may be due to file size or format. Selecting a smaller file or a standard PNG or JPG usually resolves it. That's it. Your Whatnot profile now has a refreshed background, giving visitors a clean, cohesive first impression. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your profile.